Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed here a flange body, and all assemble of this final assemble body is a valve design project, and this is a valve design project, and all parts is one by one is discussed here, and one by one is drawing here easily and clearly. Then this part is this body, and this assemble body is this one part is this, and this body is a flange, and flange is very important valve design. And this flange is how to this body is designed, and this is a 2D geometry is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all geometry and all dimension is easily you can see here on the screen, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a isometric view, and this final project is a valve design. Okay, let's start here this body is design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this body is designed here easily and clear. This is a flange, and flange is a use a very important role this final project valve design. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And how to this flange body is designed easily and clearly. So let's start here this. Okay, at first select our part, and part is this, and some setting is very important. Plain white, going to document property, and this image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, and all geometry is looking here. This is a total distance is a 22 millimeter, and this is a distance is 12 millimeter, and this center line is this, and distance between this to this is a 12.5 millimeter, and this radius is 12.5 millimeter, and diameter is showing is 25 millimeter is same here. And again 5.5 millimeter is radius, then diameter is 11 millimeter, and this radius is 7 millimeter, and this radius and use this diameter is 14 millimeter, and this thickness, this length is 3 millimeter, then this is a diameter is 6 millimeter is correct, and this use a chamfer is 1 millimeter and 45 degrees angle. Okay, all point is this length is 8 millimeter, and total is 22 millimeter. Okay. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a front plane is perfect. Okay, and going to draw a center line. A center line is drawing here this. Okay, and select a line. Line is a drawing this, and draw this line. Draw a geometry, and geometry is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect. Or draw a simple geometry, and then all geometry is a dimension is apply here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this to this, and connect to this, and this point to connect to this. Okay, and also bigger is okay. Okay, this geometry is designed here, and mention all dimension is one by one is drawing here, and this point and this point is a select here a vertical. Okay, and dimension is active, and all one by one is all point is drawing here. Okay, at first this diameter is 7 millimeter radius and total is a 22 millimeter. Then select this line to this is a 7 millimeter, and this is total distance is a 22 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is use a 5.5 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter, and this distance is a 5.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and then this distance is a this distance, and this is a 12.5 millimeter, and this distance is this to this center is a 12.5 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is a black, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. This is a fully defined, and all is looking perfect, and all dimension and all geometry is a correct drawing here, and okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is correct, and then going to revolve base, and okay, this is a automatic. Select here this axis of rotation, axis of revolution is automatic. Select here, and this is a correct. Okay, and correct and perfect. This body is a drawing here, and again select chamfer, and chamfer is a 1 millimeter is 45 degree angle. Then select this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and going to appearance, and nickel is apply here, and polished nickel is a perfect, and all is perfect. And I going to isometric view, drawing this to this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, all point is discuss here, and all point is correct, and drawing easily this flange body. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture, and this lecture is a bush design, and this part is a bush design part, and this is isometric view, and this assemble body is a valve design project. And this valve design project is very useful and helpful, and this inside part is used here, and this is a bush part, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And also to the drafting is all available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all is a correct and perfect, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very useful and helpful. This is a very useful, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this is a very useful practice this body. And okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is designed easily and clearly. And how to this body is designed? Okay, let's start here. This body is designed and isometric view. Okay, also perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. And this is this part is a bush, and this is a very useful and helpful this body. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. At first select a part, and part is this. Okay, and select a plain white, and this is use a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this use a 2D drafting is available here, and this use a right view, and right view is very important and correct. And this length is a 9mm is radius. Okay, and this same is a 18mm is diameter, and this is a 5.5mm is radius. Then this is a 15. Okay, this is a 11mm is diameter, and this use a 6.5mm is radius. Then use a 13mm is diameter. Okay, and this distance is a 8, and this 9mm radius. Then this is a length is a total 18mm, and this 18mm is same. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this right plane is suitable for this, and draw any center line is at first drawing here this, because this center line is use a very important, and use a axis of revolution. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, and this use a perfect. Okay, this line is drawing here this. Okay, and select this, and okay, drawing this. Okay, this line is a perfect and correct. This geometry is drawing here easily. Okay, and at first select this point, and this point is a select here a vertical line. Okay, and mention or dimension is this upper line is, and this use a 9mm. Okay, perfect. And also this use a 5.5mm, and this is a 7.5mm, and this length 1.5mm, and this is a 8mm. Okay, this use a 1.5mm. Okay, and this is a 8mm is perfect. Okay, and this use upper length is a 7.5mm, and this lower length is a 5.5mm is perfect. All is a black color, means this is a fully defined and correct and perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and use a axis, use a revolve boss base. Then this part is a drawing here this use a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and one point is also this is use a one, this use a okay, this use a 1mm and 45° angle, and this is a perfect and correct. And Okay, this use a chamfer and 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and use a both side, this side and also this side. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And also use a chromium and chromium plate, perfect. Okay, okay, this bush part is designed easily and clearly and looking perfect, and also isometric view is also perfect looking here. Okay, okay, this is perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student. And this is a gland. This part is drawing here a gland. Okay, this body is a valve design project, and this part is a gland, and this part is also a gland. This part is a separate here, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And all today drafting is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and all geometry is showing here right view. Then also this plane is a right view plane, right plane, and all geometry is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This part is designed here easily and clearly, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assembled here. Okay, this part is drawing here easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect, and all side is a perfect. So here, okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a very nice looking here, and this material is apply here a nickel. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first some setting is at first use a part is select here, and some setting is very important, a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and then this is all geometry is showing here a right view, and this length is a 13.5 millimeter, and this length is a 10 millimeter, and this height is 12 millimeter, and upper height is 6 millimeter, and this length is a 6.5 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter, and this fillet is used here a 1.3 millimeter, and this chamfer 1 millimeter and 30-degree angle, and last is a hexagon is drawing here 8 millimeter is extrude cut, and this is a distance is a 27 millimeter. Okay, one by one is drawing here. At first select a plane is right plane is better. Okay, and select a center line. Center line is a drawing here is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, is a horizontal line, and select a line. Geometry is a simple geometry is drawing here this. Okay, at first this to this, and select here this geometry is showing here. is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and connect to this. Okay, this geometry is very important, and drawing here and align all dimension. At first select here this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This body is a drawing here. Okay, some edit this. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 13.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a 6.5 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a perfect. This is a 13.5 millimeter, and this is 10 millimeter, and 6.5 millimeter and 12 millimeter, and this is a length is 6 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 6 millimeter, and okay, and this length is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect, and select this is a 12 millimeter this. Okay, and also this length is a 2 millimeter. Okay, all is a looking perfect, and all is a okay. This distance is a 6 mm. This is a correct, and select this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is correct, all geometry is correct here, and because all is fully defined, and use a revolve boss, apply here, and select this axis. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. This body is designed, and also some fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1.3 millimeter, because this is a fillet and this is chamfer. 1.3 millimeter, and select this edge, and OK, and also select a chamfer is a 1 millimeter and 30-degree angle is perfect, and select this edge, click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and next is a use here this hexagon is this drawing here. Select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon as this. Okay, and this point and this is point is a horizontal and also select this to this is a 27 millimeter. Okay, also is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a perfect line and use a flip side to cut user, and this is a 8 millimeter is better, and flip side to cut is perfect because this is a 8 millimeter is this height, and X cut is a flip side to cut, and click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect and better. And material is apply here. Material is this nickel metal and going to steel. Steel is a polished steel is perfect. Okay, okay, all geometry is looking here. All geometry is used here easily and clearly. Okay, this is body is a perfect drawing here. Okay, 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 I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And this part is a spindle, and this part is a spindle design, and all 2D drafting is also available here. And how to this part is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this body is a valve design project. Okay, this is a valve project design, and valve design project is very important, and all is a assemble here. And this part is a this spindle, and this spindle is very useful, and this lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner, a student. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this body is looking perfect, and this is a spindle. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay, okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part is this, and some important setting is a very important, and plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this dimension is a okay, this is a perfect, and this 2D drafting is perfect, and this full length is a 87 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 8 millimeter, but some increase and decrease also. This is a 11, and 11 millimeter is also perfect, but this is a 8 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter. This length is radius is 5 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this distance is 1.4 millimeter, and this center line to this distance is 4 millimeter, and this upper length is this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. Okay, and this plane is used here. This is a front plane is better. Okay, use a front plane and drawing a center line because this is a reference line. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, and this dimension is a use here 87 millimeter. Okay, and select a line, and the line is a drawing a geometry. then this drawing here this and this okay, this is a perfect and drawing here, and also this okay, and drawing this distance to this, okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a drawing here, okay, this is a perfect and this is also drawing this okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect okay, this line is this okay, and drawing this and this, okay, and connect to this 3-point arc, and this okay, this length is also this drawing here, and connect to 3-point arc, connect to this point, this to connect to this, okay, and this okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. This distance is a 3 millimeter, okay, and this distance is a 3 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter. This distance is a 8 millimeter, but 11 millimeter is also better, okay, and this is a 12 millimeter, okay, and this distance is a 5 millimeter, okay, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this is a 4 millimeter, okay, and this line, and press a control button and select this line and this line, 3 line is a connect, this is a collinear, okay, some okay, this is a 5 millimeter, and this line and this line to okay, this line and this line, press a control button, and this line is a collinear, okay, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this is a 4 millimeter, okay, and this use okay, this is a 4 millimeter, okay, this is a 4 millimeter, and select this and going to this, okay, this use a 5 millimeter is this, 7 millimeter is this, and 4 millimeter is this, okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, okay, and this distance is a this distance is a 13 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this point distance is a 7 millimeter, okay, and again select this distance is a 13 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is better. Okay, and this line and this line is a relation is a equal. Okay, and some use a this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 3 millimeter is perfect, and this is 7 millimeter is correct, and this is a this point to this. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, this is a 3 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this use a 7 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a 1.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, so 1.4 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 3, and this use a 7 millimeter is this to this. Okay. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 7 millimeter, and okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 some missing point is a okay, all is perfect and correct, no missing point, all is correct and perfect, and going to this feature and revolve boss base, and okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and this is the important point is a this use a chamfer is used here 1 millimeter 45 degree angle and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle is perfect, and going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter 45 degree angle this. Okay, and again select a chamfer a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and select a this to this, click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a use here this is drawing here extrude cut is a 6 millimeter, and also 7 millimeter is perfect, but 6 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a 3-point corner rectangle, and select this to this. Okay, and two center line is connect to this, and again select this to this. Okay, and this line and this line is a equal. Okay, and this line is a vertical, and press this line and press a control button and select this point, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and this distance is a 8 mm is perfect. Okay, and extrude cut is a 7 mm, and extrude cut is a 7 mm is perfect, and flip side to cut. Okay, and 6 mm is also, but 7 mm is correct. And okay, all is perfect and correct, and okay, this is a better. And this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to metal and chrome, and chrome is apply here this, and one point is also okay, one is a okay, going to this option, document properties, and detailing, and cosmetic thread is apply here, and check this. Okay, cosmetic thread. Okay, and going to this thread. Okay, going to this insert and annotation and cosmetic thread, and apply here this, and this is a 9 mm is okay. Cosmetic thread is a blind, and going to please enter number between 1 to 6. Okay, 5.5. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better and perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this body is a flywheel, and flywheel is very important for and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student. And this is a final project is designed here, and all part is assembled here. And this is a flywheel, and flywheel is this body, and this is isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is easily you can see here. And this is a valve design project, and all assemble body, and one by one all parts is drawing here, and last is this assemble body is okay. And this is and this lecture is design here today. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, this is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here, and today learn here. And all point is one by one is discuss here. Okay. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, this body. Okay, let's start here this body's design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is this. Okay, and some important point is discussed here. This is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing all detail value is top view, then top plane is very important. Okay, and select a top plane, sketch. At first drawing a reference line, going to this two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and at first drawing this body and this top view, and this center point to this length is 25 mm, and this upper length is 13 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 13 mm, and this is a 25 mm. Okay, and draw a circle. Two circle is drawing here. First is this, and second is this. Okay, and connect to line, connect to this line to this. Okay, and and this angle is a 23-degree angle, and this angle is a 23-degree angle. Okay, and this mirror entities, select here and select this, and going to mirror about this. Okay, and again select a mirror. Both line is one by one is select here, and going to mirror about this. Click OK. Okay, all extra portion is delete here and trim this, and all extra portion is trim here. One by one is trim. Okay, this is a perfect. And next is a this is a 3 radius. This is a 3 mm is a fillet is used here, and going to this sketch fillet. 3 mm is this to this, and okay, this is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect. And this is a use extrude boss, and this thickness is a this 6 mm and 6 degree angle, because upper face is a 6 degree angle is twist. And going to extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 mm and 6 degree angle, upper side is twist here. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, and this upper face sketch normal, and again drawing a this line, and this line is cut out, and this line is 9 mm and 21 mm is reference line, and reference line, and center line is this also. Okay, and this is a 9 mm, and this is a 21 mm. Okay, and again two circle is drawing here. First is this, and second is this, and okay, and this circle is this. Okay, this is delete here, and select this circle, drawing here this to this. Okay, and again connect this to this. Okay, and this line, and press a control button, and this line is a parallel. Okay, and again select a mirror is this, and about mirror this. Okay, and again select a mirror, both line is one by one is select here, and press a okay, and select this and click OK, and all extra person is delete here, and this and all extra person is delete here. Okay, and this fillet is 1.2 millimeter. Also fillet is 1.2 millimeter. Okay, and select this, all 4 point is select here, and click OK and OK, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is this, and this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a 4 millimeter is perfect, and click OK, all is perfect, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, and also use a fillet is used here, and this is a 0.3 millimeter, and okay, 0.3 millimeter is this, and select this face and click OK. Okay, all is a perfect, and select a backside, sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this circle is drawing here a diameter is 14 millimeter, and this thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, this diameter is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and also use a fillet. Fillet is a 1 millimeter is this. Fillet is 1 millimeter, and this is a select here, and click OK. Okay, and also select this face, sketch normal, and circle is a drawing here 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter is diameter, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a extrude cut is 8 millimeter diameter. Okay, and this extrude cut is a through all is perfect, and click OK. Extrude cut is a through all. Okay, and next is apply here this square, and this also circle, but diameter is not mentioned here, and this is a very important. This face, sketch normal, and select a center rectangle. Okay, and this center rectangle is a this length is 8 millimeter, and also this is a 8 millimeter, Okay, this is a perfect, but this this dimension is not mentioned here, and this rectangle drawing here, and both dimension is 8 millimeter both. Okay, height and width, and extrude cut is a apply here, and okay, this is a perfect, and 6 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is looking perfect, and also select this face, sketch normal, and circle is a draw here, and this diameter is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and going to extrude cut is a 2 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and okay, but this dimension is a not mentioned here, and this is a perfect. Okay, all point one by one is discussed here, and all point is learned here easily and clearly, and this is a perfect. And going to appearance is a blue color. Okay, this is a blue color is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and all side is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay guys, all point is learned here, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a bonnet, and bonnet is a very important lecture for a beginner student, and also a proficient student is also. This is a very important lecture. And guys, this project is designed here a valve design project, and how to this body is assembled here, and last is a at first all part is one by one is drawing here easily and clearly, and last is this body is assembled here. And this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, and this is a bonnet, and bonnet is this. Okay, all part is one by one is designed here, and this is a bonnet, and bonnet is a all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this bonnet is a isometric view. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is you can see here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is a bonnet part is this bonnet body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is available here this. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and this is a perfect body is design, and all dimension is correct. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some important point is discuss here. At first select a part, and going to this plain white, and some setting is very important. And this is going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a mmgs millimeter gram second, and this unit is setting here Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is clearly you can see here. And at first drawing, this is a length is full length is a 36 millimeter, and this length is a 20 millimeter, and this length is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a upper length is a, and this is a line is a reference line, and this is a axis of revolution, and this body is a revolve boss base is apply here, and this is a half body is geometry is dimensioning, and this is a revolve boss is full body is created here. Then all geometry is a half part is a drawing here. Then this axis is a axis of revolution is drawing here, and this length is a 20.5 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter, and this is 13 millimeter, and this is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, one by one is drawing here. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a, this is a use a front view, then plane is a better is a front plane. Okay, select a front plane. Okay, and at first center line is a drawing here. This line is a reference line, and this line is very important, and also this line is use a axis of revolution, and this length is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and select a line. A simple geometry is a drawing here. A simple geometry is a drawing here at first, and then all dimension is dimensioning one by one, and then this is a okay drawing a this line is a drawing here. This simple geometry is drawing here. This and line is a drawing here. Okay, this and this line is a this okay, this is a perfect, and this is a select here, and this line is a drawing this, and select this line. Okay, and going to up and connect to this. Okay, simple geometry is drawing here, and dimensioning one by one, all dimension is dimensioning here, and select a at first this is a okay, at first this point and this point is a vertical. Okay, and this point. Okay, and at first select this point to this point is the line is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this is the same, but this is a okay, and select this line to this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, 8 millimeter. Okay, and okay, one by one is this is a 10 millimeter, and this 8 millimeter is half, and this is a 13 millimeter is this is a 13.5 millimeter, and select this is a 13.5 millimeter. Okay, this is a 13.5 millimeter is this point to this is a, and upper is a this is this point is a this 20.5 5 millimeter and select this is a 20.5 millimeter, this. Okay, and also this length is 15 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 13. Okay, this length is a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Okay, this. Okay, and also this use a 6.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and this is a 20.5 millimeter, and this is 15 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. This use of 15 millimeter is this 13 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and 6.5 millimeter this. And next is this is a 20 millimeter and 10 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 20 millimeter is this. This is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 10 millimeter is this. This is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is same, but one is delete here, no problem. Okay, all is perfect. This is a 10, and select here this, and upper side is this use a 15 millimeter is this 15 millimeter, and this use a this point, and this line is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter, and this use a drag here this. Okay, and also okay, and use this line is 10 millimeter, and also this is a 9 millimeter this. Okay, and this angle is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a okay, this is a this distance is a 5.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this length. Okay, this is 13.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all dimension is a this. Okay, all dimension is a looking perfect. Okay. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. This is 13.5 millimeter and 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter and 5.5 millimeter is this 10 millimeter 20 millimeter, and all is perfect. And this fillet is used here at 2 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is used here at 2 millimeter, and select this and click OK. Okay, this is a okay, and this use a 2 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and all dimension is perfect and correct. Okay guys, all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Then use a revolve boss base and use a feature and going to revolve boss base. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, Okay, this body is designed and easily and clearly. And again, one point is this is use of chamfer is applied here on a 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and also going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and going to appearance and select a metal, and metal is a copper, and copper is this, and going to this. Okay, this is a bonnet is designed easily and clearly, and appearance is also apply here easily, and this body is a looking perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and isometric view is this, and all is a looking perfect, and all dimension and all geometry is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.